Influenza is also called as seasonal flu. It is an acute respiratory tract infection of upper respiratory tract caused by the influenza virus. It is a orthomyxovidae subtypes of A and B, C, C, D. It is characterized by sudden occurring of chills, malaise, fever, pain, and cough. It is first isolated from pig in 1931. Later, it is isolated in humans in 1933. Next one, coming to the structure of virus, influenza virus, it will contains two distinct surface antigens, hemoglobin antigen, H antigen. Next, second one is neuraminidase N antigen. These H antigen is initiate the infection to attach the virus to the cells, and neuraminidase enzyme or antigen N antigen is responsible for release of virus from the infected cells into the body. It is also contain M1 protein. It is a RNA plus proteins. It contains lipid bilayer. It is also contain polymerase complex. It is made up of, in between it will contains nucleoproteins. It is covered by lipid. There are contain two type of antigens, neuraminidase antigen N antigen and hemagglutinin H antigen. It is most commonly caused by different types of subtype of viruses like influenza virus A, influenza virus B, influenza virus C, and influenza D virus. These are the various types of influenza viruses comes under subtypes of orthomyxovidae viruses. The most common mode of transmission of viruses are caused by different types of animals like swine, horse, dog, cats, wild animals. So the most common virus is influenza virus A. It is most commonly transferred by man and pig. The man and pig is suffered with all type of influenza viruses A, B, C, D, and the most common serious type of infection caused by type A. Infection with type B influenza is milder than type A. Influenza C is rare. Influenza A virus is most virulent. Type D is not seen in human beings. These are the different types of viruses. It is this influenza virus is affected to the all ages of persons. The persons who are old, and persons means aging having 65 years, they are easily affected by virus, and also changing the environmental conditions like seasons. Winter it is most commonly affected, and also overcrowding in schools, institutions, and traffics. It is most commonly spread from one person to the another persons. It is most commonly transmitted rapidly in overcrowding areas. And mode of transmission, it can be transferred from direct contact. It is a contagious disease. It is also tran- transmitted by droplets like sneezing, coughing, and coming closer contact with infected persons, and also infected with sharing drinks, sharing food, and rubbing eyes and nose, mouth, and using common telephone and other objects used by the patients, and also patient using utensils like objects like tables, handles, buttons. These are easily affected with influenza. The primary reservoirs are animals and birds. It can be isolated into human beings. In this type of infection transmission, lungs can be affected. The major symptoms of influenza are producing sudden eye fever, chills, headache, arthalgia, in some cases producing diarrhea and abdominal pain, and also produces other bacterial infections, runny nose, sore throats, in some cases causes acute bronchiolitis, high fever, and produces the hypotension, myalgia, malacia, fatigue, and bradycardia. These can be influenza viral infection can be diagnosed by using different types of techniques. Viral tissue culture used for detect the both type of A and B, and rapid cell cultures are used for detect the A and B virus, and fluorescence antibody staining techniques are used for detect the A and B virus. It is giving the results within 1 to 4 hours. And another test is RT-PCR test detect the A and B virus, and rapid molecular assay is used for detect the A and B virus. It gives results within less 30 minutes. And also rapid influenza diagnosis test used for detect the A, B, and O. It is also giving results within 30 minutes. The rapid diagnosis tests are includes direct fluorescence assay, indirect fluorescence assay, and rapid immunofluorescence assay. The virus can be collected by nasopharynx and throat and spotums by using nasal washing, throat swab, and nasopharyngeal aspiration, and also collect the and blood and identified by serological examination by complement fixation test and hemagglutination inhibition test. In this method, antibody Ig levels can be detected in serum samples. For treatment of virus, there are different types of vaccines can be available. There are inactivated vaccine given intramuscular. It is a quadrivalent split virus subunit type. Duration is immunity produced during 1 year or less. Examples is Fluzone. Another live attenuated influenza vaccines are Fluvirin manufactured by Novartis and Fluarix manufactured by GlaxoSmith Company. It is given in intranasal route. It is a trivalent live attenuated influenza vaccine. It gives immunity within 1 year, and it is another recombinant product is Flu Block. It is manufactured by Sanfonil. It is a biotechnological product. It is a quadrivalent vaccine. In this type of recombinant vaccine, surface antigens can be of new viruses can be included. These are Fluzone quadrivalent vaccine, and next one is influenza viral vaccine Fluorine, and next one is Flu Block. It is a recombinant vaccine. These are the three types of vaccines used for treatment of influenza viral infection. Next one, for treatment of influenza using antiviral drugs like amantadine. It is mostly affected on M2 protein and it is given in oral route. Resistance given as Remantadine. It is acting on M2 protein receptors. It is given in oral route. It gives resistance to the swine flu virus. And oseltamivir is affected on N antigen like neuraminidase. It is given oral route for 70 mg per day. It is given for 5 days. Next one, Janamivir. Janamivir. It is also given inhalation route for 10 mg for 2 days per day, 10 mg for using 2 days. It is also acting on neuraminidase N antigen site. And next one is Paramivir. It is also acting on neuraminidase and also given oral and intravenous route. These are the capsules of amantadine and Janamivir inhalation powder. Next one, for patient is suffered with cough, it can be using cough suppressive agents and using decongestants, and also if in case of fever can be producing using paracetamol. Antiviral drugs like amantadine, remantadine can be used and also using neuraminidase inhibitors like oseltamivir and janamivir. Influenza virus is treated with both janamivir and oseltamivir and remantadine, and influenza B virus can be treated with oseltamivir. For supportive therapy can be maintained by using oxygen and also giving antibiotics. If in case of swelling can be produces giving steroids. In some cases, oseltamivir and ranitidine also can be used for treatment of influenza infection. By using neuraminidase inhibitors causes nausea and vomiting. Oseltamivir causes neuropsychotic effects and janamivir produces bronchial constriction. Next one, M2 receptors mainly acting on proton selective ion channel proteins. M2 channels can be inhibited by antiviral drugs like amantadine and remantadine. They block the virus from the taking over host cell and inhibits the replication of influenza A virus. By using M2 inhibitors causes nervousness, anxiety, agitation and insomnia, difficulty in breathing. By using remantadine causes nausea and upset stomach and nervousness and tiredness, and also causes trouble in sleeping. In some cases, it cannot be treated. The virus can be replicated and causes inflammation and necrosis of the tracheas and bronchioles mucosa membranes, and also causes fatty liver. It is called as Reye syndrome, REYE.